This kit combines a full-size clipper, precision T-blade trimmer, foil shaver, and nose and ear attachments. So one set handles almost every grooming task at home or in a barbershop. The zero-gap style T-blade can be used without a guard for extremely close detailing, making sharp lines, fades, and hair designs feel very controlled and professional. Its triple foil shaving head glides smoothly over the skin and does a thorough job of cleaning up stubble on the scalp, face, and neck when used after clipping longer growth. A strong, high-speed motor and generous cordless runtime mean it does not bog down on thick hair and can easily get through several full haircuts on a single charge. The fully waterproof body and detachable heads make it simple to rinse the whole system under running water, which keeps the blades cleaner and more hygienic with minimal effort. A clear digital display for battery status and maintenance reminders, along with a travel-friendly lock, add small but very practical touches that make daily use and packing it in a bag much easier.